Hi guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a collaboration with a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Haley Jae. She's a really great, talented makeup artist, and I love her to death. She's so sweet and so cool, and I'm so lucky to be able to do this collaboration with her because she's actually the reason I started posting videos on YouTube, so I'm super excited. Her name on YouTube is Haley Jae, and it's also Haley Jae on Instagram, and I'm going to leave all of her links for her social media down below, so go give her a subscribe and a follow, and check out her work, let her know that I sent you. And she's also going to be posting a collab look on her page, and you're going to want to see that because, like I said, she's so talented, and she's so sweet, and she also has a really great series to help with anxiety and depression and other mental disorders, and she's so kind and so helpful and really helped me to gain my confidence to be able to do this. So we're doing a collab of an orange and black eye look. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial. Give me a subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave a comment letting me know what you think of this video when it's done. And yeah, let's get right on into the tutorial. Okay, so I start off with my eyes primed like usual, and I'm using a flat blending brush, dipping into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm just dipping lightly into the yellow shade and putting that above my crease to kind of give it a transition shade and a shade underneath the orange, because I think that the orange and just the black would be a little too harsh. So to put this on, I go in windshield wiper motions right above where my eye crease is. And I find that if I just go really lightly with pressure, like barely touching, it applies the best. Then I go in with a round top fluffy blending brush, and I dip into that orange shade in the same Juvia's Place palette, and I use those same windshield wiper motions, and I just go right over where I applied the yellow. So I'm just doing the exact same thing, just with a different brush and a different color. And I just build this color up until I get a pretty bright orange, because the black that we're going to add is kind of going to dull down the orange a little bit. Then I go back over, not adding any product, but I just use that flat blending brush because it's really, it's not a dense brush, so it helps to really blend all the lines. Then I go in on my eyelid with the NYX eyeliner pencil, and I've never tried this technique before, but I wanted to see if this would help darken my base because I don't really have a very pigmented black. And I really wanted this black to be dark. So I went and I just drew a little tiny crease underneath my actual crease of just black eyeliner. And it can be sloppy. We're going to fix it with this eyeshadow right here. Take a flat packing brush, and I dipped it into just any black eyeshadow. Mine's from the Jaclynhill palette. And I just pat and then kind of drag the color all over my lid area. And just go back and forth patting and swiping until you get the color, the deepness that you want. Then I'm going in with a dense, smaller blending brush, and I'm just going really lightly with the black to bring it up a little bit into my crease. Then I'm taking a really fluffy blending brush and dipping into barely any black to blend out the crease, because you don't want it to be just like orange black. You want it to be kind of gradient effect, so I just really blend with the same windshield wiper motions. Then I'm going back in and adding a little more orange because, like I said, the black kind of takes and makes the orange a little more dull, so I want to make it really poppy, so I just go back and add more with that original blending brush. And I'm always using a really light hand and making sure to just go back and forth windshield wiper motions. That would be the best way to explain what I'm doing. And the amount of pressure is so light when you're touching the brush to you, it should feel like a light dust, if anything, okay? Now I'm on the lower lash line, and I'm just going with that flat fluffy brush with the yellow and put that under there. Then with the fluffy rounded blending brush, I'm just going to put a little bit of the orange. I'm going to go in with a smaller flat brush to kind of deepen up the orange and bring it closer to the line to the lash line so that it's cleaner. Right now, that's what I'm doing. You can't see, I'm sorry, I kind of went out of frame a little. I shouldn't have done that, but that's what I'm doing, is I'm just adding more orange, cleaning it up a little bit. Then I'm going in with my NYX eyeliner and putting that right on the waterline. And we're going for a really smoky look, so I'm going to make sure that's as dark as I can get it, and that it's okay if it comes down a little bit under your waterline, because right now I'm taking this angled detailed brush and I'm just going to pat on black eyeshadow underneath to really smoke out that eye. I'm just patting and lining it, because then I'm going to go in with that dense black brush that we used on the top crease right now, and I'm going to blend it out to make it a little softer. Okay guys, this is the look that I came up with. It's an orange and black smoky eye. Very seasonal, you know, works really well for Halloween coming up, and I love how it turned out. I was going to go with something a little different, but I've actually never done this technique, smoky eye, ever, and I really wanted to try it. I figured this would be a perfect chance. So I really like how it came out, and I definitely think that it's something that could be worn for Halloween or for a night out, but I do like how this turned out. So don't forget to check out Haley's channel and see what she came up with, and make sure you go subscribe. I'll leave all of her links down below, including the link to her video. I had a lot of fun doing this collab with her. So don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.